I'm Doug with Equipment World Rentals, and today we're going to do a little demonstration on one of our new products, a Senco screw gun, and it will do drywall screws or flooring screws. So we're going to go through the process of switching it just from a plain regular drywall screw gun to floor gun. Simply this just snaps off, pop that out, pop out the shorter screwdriver, and then we're going to go to the process of adding. This is in the bag. This just screws on or slips on and does a quarter turn, and it will lock with a supplied Allen wrench like so. There's one on each side. There's two of them in here. All right, that's on there. Then we put the extension. Put this extension in first. This just snaps in here till you hear a click. There. This goes on top. Similar to the other piece, this just screws on. Screw this on. Grab our auto feed mechanism. This just goes on. Simply tighten up the wing nut. All right, and then to load the screws, simply slide them in the back to the first empty hole. Right there, we are set. If you want to zoom in here at 1 5/8, which is the length of these screws. Put our glasses on. Simply pull the trigger. This is run all the time. Put the lock on. So now we can convert it back to a drywall gun. Simply unscrew this end. Remove this rod. Take the wing nut out of here. Loosen it off. So remove this piece, and this piece we will need the gun. Simply lock that into there till you hear the click. Then this will go directly on here. Slide it in. Again, tighten up the wing nut. And now we're ready for drywalling. Thanks for learning with us today. If you want to see more about this equipment in the video, you can find a link to our catalog in the description below. We have locations in Thunder Bay, Sault Ste. Marie, and Sudbury. So come visit us. We also have your rental needs on our website, equipworld.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.